Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to turn off background app that is draining your phone battery on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for Phone Master. So I'm going to click on here now. I will type in Phone Master, just like so. Go ahead and click on Phone Master. Having opened up your Phone Master, scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Booster. Under the booster right here, go ahead and make sure you click on Optimize. Then go ahead and click on Optimize. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and go ahead and click on Power and go ahead and click on Phone Power Consumption. Click on that. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Optimize now. Battery Optimize. Then click on here to go back. Then go ahead and click on App Launcher. Click on App Launch. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do right here is to review as many as possible apps that are running in the background each time you turn on your phone. So at the time of making this video, I have about 4 apps here running in the background that are draining my phone battery. So what we want to do is to turn them off, turn them as many as possible off so you can review. So once you turn them all off, go ahead and click on Intelligent Optimization to boost your phone battery. Successfully optimized. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.